Hello YouTube, this is Ahoy. So, if you haven't heard, the new Meshuggah album has the built-in Cubase 6 VST Amp Rack for the guitar tone. So, since I just upgraded to Cubase 6, I wanted to test it out. And personally, I think the tones that I got out of it were not quite to my liking, but mostly because of the cabinet. Seems they were really scooped. But in general, then I blended the tone with PodFarm with the preset that I use for quick demos, and it actually sounded really good. So I just want to show you guys this quick demo how it sounds. And after the full mix there is a clip with first PodFarm, then the VST Amp Rack, then with both, and then with the PodFarm, VST Amp Rack and the bass at the same time. So I hope you found this tutorial interesting. Thank you for watching and make good music.